In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Miro, a collaborative online whiteboard platform that makes teamwork and ideas visual. Whether you're brainstorming in a team meeting or creating a mind map, knowing how to effectively add and modify text in Miro can greatly enhance your productivity and communication. To begin, let's head over to Miro and open up our boards. The boards serve as your workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're in Miro, locate your board from the dashboard, which serves as your digital canvas. Click on it to enter. Navigating to your board is your first step in bringing text to life. Now that we're on your board, it's time to introduce some text. You'll notice a T icon on the left-hand side of the screen. This T stands for text, and clicking on it equips you with the text tool. It's like having a pen and paper, but with endless possibilities at your fingertips. Once you've selected the text tool, click anywhere on the board where you'd like to insert text. Your cursor will appear, ready for you to start typing your thoughts or ideas. Now, let's make this text visually comfortable and engaging. Miro offers a few text options. You can switch between different types of text styles, such as title, heading, or body. Each style serves a unique purpose and can help organize your content effectively. Choose the style that best fits the message you want to convey. After setting the text style, it's time to give your text a personal touch. Click to choose your preferred font from the options provided. Consider what suits your project's tone. A creative brainstorm might benefit from a playful font, whereas a serious report might require something more formal. Adjusting the font size is just as important. Growth from small to large text sizes can emphasize vital points or allow for a detailed, fine print look. Once the font choices are made, you can dive into additional customizations. You can edit the font style by toggling bold, italics, or underlining for emphasis. Creating the right impact with your words is crucial, and these features allow you to do just that. Aligning text and organizing it into lists can introduce structure and clarity to your board. Intentional alignment aids the flow of reading and makes your board look more professional. Additionally, inserting links into your text can direct your collaborators to more resources or related files outside of Miro. Let's colorize the experience now. Adjusting the text color can help differentiate sections or bring attention to key points. A strategic use of color can guide the viewer's eye across the board effectively. Similarly, highlighting text works the same way in underscoring essential aspects without altering the overall design. Furthermore, consider adding comments or sticky notes for feedback and quick annotations. Comments are perfect for seeking input from your team, while sticky notes are great for quick ideas or reminders. With these steps, I hope you feel empowered to add and play around with text in Miro. Whether you're organizing your thoughts or working in a team setting, mastering this skill opens new doors for creativity and efficiency in your visual projects.